Understanding, if you ask me, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English expressions, specifically focusing on the phrase, if you ask me. This seemingly simple phrase packs a lot of meaning and is widely used in everyday English conversations. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. If you ask me is an expression used when someone wants to offer their opinion or point of view on a subject. It's a way of prefacing a statement with a personal touch, indicating that what follows is the speaker's personal opinion. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings but is more common in casual conversations. To understand how to use if you ask me in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. If you ask me, the movie was far better than the book. Here, the speaker is giving their opinion about a movie versus a book. 2. If you ask me, we should start the project as soon as possible. In this case, the speaker is expressing their viewpoint on when a project should begin. Notice how in each example, the phrase sets up a personal opinion or suggestion. Like many expressions in English, if you ask me can be modified or used in different ways while keeping its core meaning. For instance, if you want my opinion, if you're asking me, these variations serve the same purpose but can add a bit of variety to your conversation. It's important to understand the cultural context when using if you ask me. In some cultures, directly offering an opinion without being asked might be seen as rude or presumptuous. However, in many English-speaking cultures, it's quite normal and is seen as a friendly way to engage in a discussion. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, if you ask me. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident in using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the nuances and cultural contexts of expressions. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.